Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, I'm Mary from My Lab Private Limited. Yeah, this is My Lab Private Limited, a dental laboratory that started in 2012. And then we have these services that is provided by My Lab, which like the PFM crowns and bridges, IMEX and LISI crowns, which is lithium disilicate material. And then we have zirconia for crowns, bridges, inlays, onlays, and veneers. So, but now we're going to have the topic zirconia versus lithium disilicate, which we normally call the IMEX press or the LISI press. LISI press actually is the latest, but the what we call the gold standard, which started all these lithium disilicate glass ceramics, is the IMEX press actually. Yeah, but both of them, LISI and IMEX press, are both lithium disilicate glass ceramics. Now we go to zirconia. Zirconia is an opaque material in dentistry. It, sorry. Zirconia is an opaque material in dentistry. It is used in tetragonal form to be able to manipulate it and become pliable because it is a very hard material. So they make it into a tetragonal form, but it still have the hardness of zirconia that can withstand the pressure from chewing. Then it can also be used to fabricate a long span bridge indicated for heavy biters and bruxers. Because usually bruxers can even crack the tooth. So this zirconia is indicated for this. Then the contraindications is veneers because it's one thing, it's an opaque material. Another uh, another reason is for the bonding properties of zirconia, but it has a lesser risk in chipping. While lithium disilicate, this is a translucent material which is very good actually in mimicking the actual tooth when it comes to the shade. So that's why it has a better aesthetic property. It is used in a black form to increase the strength of material because comparing to zirconia, lithium disilicate is a little bit weaker material. It can be used as bridge, but it's only up to 3 units. It can easily get fractured during try-in or during the adjustment of the occlusion. And most common reason for this, the fracture for lithium disilicate is the inadequacy of the material thickness. So usually the recommended thickness would be 1.5 mm. Another contraindication for lithium disilicate or the IMEX press, or you call LISI press, is a chamfer or feather edge margin. So because when you make a chamfer or feather edge margin, it is very thin, so it would more likely to break. So as what I said earlier, this material is more natural looking and can bond to the tooth very well. So these are like in comparison, zirconia and lithium disilicate. Zirconia is an opaque material while lithium disilicate is translucent material. Zirconia used in tetragonal form to be more pliable, while lithium disilicate used in a block to increase the strength. Zirconia is a hard material while lithium disilicate can easily get fractured. Zirconia can be used for long span bridge while lithium disilicate can only be used as bridge up to 3 units. Next. Then zirconia, contraindicated for veneers due to the bonding property, while lithium disilicate is recommended for veneers and it gives a natural look when bonded to the tooth. So zirconia is less risk of chipping, and then it is indicated for heavy biters and bruisers, while lithium disilicate it is contraindicated for chamfer and feather edge margin. So the references are Cosmetic Journal, European Journal, and Dental Economics. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Neri.